Today we are going to debate about lessons to save money on fuel. Each candidate will give some lessons to save fuel. Ladies and gentlemen, let's begin.
Lesson 1, buy a diesel. Some diesel cars offer mileage comparable to popular hybrids.
Lesson 1, buy a hybrid. Not only do hybrids give you immediate savings at the pump.
Lesson 1, buy a smaller car. Generally speaking, smaller cars are lighter and get better mileage.
Lesson 1, buy vehicles that run on other fuels or types of energy. A vehicle that combines a fuel-efficient petrol engine with an electric motor.
Well done, guys. Now let's move to second lessons.
Lesson 2, do proper maintenance of dirty oil, clogged air filters and poorly tuned engines all increase your fuel costs.
Lesson 2, driving at a moderate and steady speed can save up to 4% in petrol.
Lesson 2, when driving, avoid fast startups and stops. You will save hundreds of rand on lower gas and maintenance costs.
Lesson 2, with a TurboFlow fuel saver, you can reduce fuel consumption by 10% to 15%, get more power and reduce turbo lag. Works on fuel, petrol or diesel vehicles.
Wow. Great tips. Third round with more interest.
Lesson 3, turn off the air conditioning. Open your windows instead of using air conditioning all the time.
Lesson 3, leave the car at home when it comes to short journeys.
Lesson 3, walk to buy a loaf of bread with your kids. You also building best relationship with your kids.
Lesson 3, you must cycle or use public transport to work as alternative.
I have already stolen some tips already. Let's move to fourth lessons.
Lesson 4, don't sit with your engine idling. Contrary to popular belief, 10 seconds of idling can use more fuel than turning off the engine and restarting it.
Lesson 4, avoid carrying excess weight and remove accessories which affect the aerodynamics. Example, roof racks.
Lesson 4, drive off as soon as the engine is started, especially from a cold start.
Lesson 4, shop online can save you petrol if you're looking for pizza, CDs, movies and just about anything else.
This is the last round, then announce the winner.
Lesson 5, with diesel engines, minimize throttle percentage, using the tallest gear with the least throttle opening.
Lesson 5, with petrol engines, minimize engine revs, regardless of throttle position, using the tallest gear the engine will allow without harshness.
Lesson 5, steer smoothly on the correct line through corners to avoid using energy from unnecessary angle on the front wheels.
Lesson 5, use a global positioning system, GPS, to help you navigate and find the fastest and shortest distance to your destination. Don't get lost if you can help it.
Well done. The winner is someone who shared this video with friends, family, colleagues, business partners, and clients to save fuel. Use less fuel, save and more money.